Hi, this is Stephen here from Share Navigator, and this is your daily active stock trade update. So these are stocks that we're going to hold for a matter of days or weeks. It's not our longer term investments, although most of the stocks that we actually choose in here, we would be happy to own for the long term as well. So we're looking for short term trading opportunities and quality companies here. And we combine technical research with fundamental research. We've got a proprietary equity scan tool and Share Navigator, which screens the market and automatically provides analyst average target prices plus our own algorithm that looks at future sales, earnings, and so forth. And we come up with our own price targets as well. So let's talk about our current list. Well, the two stocks we're already in, Alaska Airlines. So it's rebounded a bit yesterday. It's slightly up since when we bought it, by not a lot. We're expecting it to migrate to either the 20-day moving average or up to its 200-day moving average. So we're going to keep a $55 target price on the stock, over 10% higher from where we are now. We like this consolidation here at support, and fingers crossed this starts migrating to the mean at some point in time in the near future. Flutter is another one. We bought it a bit too early, although it's made up the ground. We bought it here. It's pretty much up again today by 1%. Again, something similar. That's going to migrate, in our view, back to the 200-day moving average at some point in time, which is our target exit price on a short-term basis. Now, both of those stocks we bought into our long-term portfolio as well. We like both of them for the long term too. So other stocks that we looked at yesterday, this was the next one we were going to trade, but it moved too quickly. We didn't get in on it, which was Smurfit. So a little bit too slow pulling the trigger on that one. You can see it had a big jump yesterday, 5%. But we'll keep an eye on Smurfit. If it comes back down into this particular support area again, we'll trade it. So we'll remove it from our list from now, but we have it on another watch list to check it out. So two other stocks that appeared today. One is Caesars, so pretty much similar to MGM. Caesars is down 5% yesterday. It's reached a lower support area. Probably a little bit more to go for support. And then we would trade it up to the $26 level. It's at 23 at the moment. So Caesars has been added to the watch list, and Tyson Foods has been added to the watch list. You can see it had a bad day yesterday, but it's come down to support. And we would trade that up probably to the $54 level. So Tyson Foods, we wouldn't want to own that for the long term, guys. That's something that will be just a short term trade. In terms of stocks that we're likely to trade next, GoDaddy is one of them. You can see we like this kind of consolidation, not doing a hell of a lot down here. We think it's going to migrate back to here at some point in time, and we can make a few get a few points out of that one. Meta is another one that we're getting quite keen on. Just looking for this to consolidate here. It's consolidating. You could consider this a support area too. We like the consolidation period here. And whilst the long-term upside isn't huge in our view, short-term, it's hard to argue with a stock that has continually created new highs. So that looks like one we're going to trade soon too. MGM we've spoken about. We want to just see MGM stop making these lower lows. That's what we're trying to see. So if you look at Caesars and MGM, they keep making lower lows at the moment. That's because of a travel report out of China recently. The analysts weren't happy with the numbers basically going to the gambling center of China. And both of these have a massive presence in there. So that's why those are making lower lows at this moment in time. But we believe that's what's going to create the opportunity to buy in. So we're just waiting for this to stop there. Wetherspoons is another interesting one here. You can see this continually making lower highs and lower lows. We like the consolidation here at the moment. I think there's a good chance this is going to migrate even to the top of this downtrend line. So again, Wetherspoons is something really for short-term trading. Again, I wouldn't buy in just yet for the longer term. I think this is probably in the longer term going to make its way down to here. And then I think it would be a great opportunity to buy in. So Wetherspoons might be a short-term trade in the near future as well. And Gen Digital, again, at a support area, it's kind of just, I like yesterday, it's the first day it hasn't made a lower low in quite some time. Let's see, does it hold? Not ready to pull the trigger on that one yet. So as regards our existing trades, we're holding on to them, Alaska and Flutter. And trades that we might consider in the near future: Meta, GoDaddy, MGM, and Weatherspoons. They're the four there that kind of are looking more likely at this moment in time. And we'll let you know if we do go and place those trades. Okay, this is Stephen with an update on our short-term stock trading opportunities. Thanks and bye for now.